MA Wash Vac Services was established in 1992 based on the principles of quality service and competitive prices. Today, those principles are still the same. We offer a first-class, speedy repair service, new product and built-in product installation, and an appliance measuring service on washing machines, dishwashers, fridges and ovens, plus a huge range of domestic appliances and accessories at unbeatable prices. We try to provide a same-day repair or delivery service, so call us now at MA Wash Vac Services.